We've been what's called Tate Associates for 3 years now. Tate Exchange is an experimental program that questions the impact of art on people's life, but also the role of the museum in that process. And it asks the associates, so instead of the normal curators of Tate, the different associates, and there's 60 of them, get a chance to curate the space for a week throughout the year. Our program each year responds to the theme of Tate Exchange. So this year's theme is movement. And we've curated the space around 8 different zones, each looking at movement from a different aspect.
Today is very much about engaging the public in a conversation about how design can live and breathe. And part of the conversation is, for us as designers, as spatial designers, is to understand how we use material, how we interact with people, and how we construct structures to enable those kind of activities to take place.
I think that it's important to include people in your design, to empower them instead of imposing a design on them. So I think that doing it in Tate Modern is a really good opportunity because I get to meet very diverse range of people here.
It comes through a number of kind of scales of behavior and thinking, from the micro, from the level of the sensory, through to the more social and more interactive, to more kind of larger scale environmental concerns. All of these things come together through a dialogue and a conversation and the idea of empathetic design. For us, it's a kind of critical vehicle to talk about our responsibility as a designer to improve the world.
We've been working with different students from different disciplines across Chelsea and Camberwell. So interior spatial design, textile students and graphic design students. It's been really exciting because I've learned so many new skills and they bring a lot to the table, different thought processes.
I would say that our live project is very much about showing to the public and see the feedback, like what's the feedback of the public towards what you're designing, and basically shaping the brief itself through the feedback that you receive from a client, from a public.
Tate Exchange offers this amazing opportunity for our students to, first of all, collaborate with each other and see each other's work, which is something that they don't often get to do as a large group. But more importantly, it offers them the opportunity to share their work at this kind of very early stage of their career with the public, with Tate visitors, but also with Tate staff. And I think from the experience of past projects, the impact this has on their practice is quite tremendous.